welcome back to my channel. I am coming back to you on my beautiful, beautiful Street Fighter. And yeah, it's been a hot little minute since I've actually had some spare time to essentially ride my bike. And this time around it's been a little less due to the weather and more due to, well, me working on a few projects to hopefully, you know, make a little bit of side money essentially. So that's been really my main, well, has been taking up majority of my time. So unfortunately that's just life, that's just how it is. So what I'm up to today is I'm starting a little thing that I may have mentioned at one of my other rides, but never actually got around to actually doing it essentially, which is what I'm heading to do right now. Bikes and burgers, man. Bikes and burgers. So essentially what Bike and Burger is something I want to try out on the channel, especially if any of y'all are interested in traveling to Australia or Western Australia and you need good spots for burgers. So yeah, fast food, good fast food in the sense, well, not even fast food because they don't really come out very fast, to be honest, because these are like, I guess you could say in a way, gourmet burgers. So yeah, it does take a bit of time, but they are the yummiest things you can put in your mouth. Insert innuendos all you want about meat and mouth. Oof. But yeah, any hoozle. So the place I'm going to now is called the Brooklyn Lodge. It's a small burger joint that has yeah, been around for a little bit. It's recommended to be one of the better spots essentially around the areas that I initially ride in anyway. So I was just like, yeah, two birds, one stone, let's get the bike out for a little bit of a stretch them legs, you know, stretch them legs. But yes, Brooklyn Lodge, I'm gonna go see what's on their menu. Hopefully I can sneak a little bit of a recording, because I know some places how would you say, not very friendly when it comes to recording and stuff and things. Sometimes it's a no right, they're okay, sometimes they're like, okay, as long as you don't have anyone's face in there and all that kind of jazz and whatnot. Hey, it's an MTO10, 7, 10, whatever. Yeah, 7. But yeah, Brooklyn Lodge, burgers, I'm gonna see. It's the first time I've been to this one, but I hear glowing reviews. So let's give it a good old crack, shall we? here we are, ladies and gents, a Brooklyn Lodge. Let's go in, grab us some food, and see what it's all like, eh? Ooh. 80 k's an hour, it's 1 metre from the screen, nearly killed me. Yikes. Will do. See you later. It's a very nice lady. Burger's a little bit on too much of the greasy side. But any hoozles. Yes, so I had the Nashville style deep fried chicken, baby, the chimkin. So I'll definitely put the, what do you call it, the picture and the video if it hasn't been corrupted and it's on the phone, so don't judge me too much for it. Well, all in all, it is a lovely tasting burger. I do have to say, it was, the flavour was really, really nice. It was a potato-based bun, which is really nice. Really, really nice. It was very simple. It was just bun, a little bit of slaw, and just a big chunky piece of chicken. So I can't complain. It was rather nice. I'm gonna zip through the coastal side over there, and then yeah, head on home. And yeah, the chips were nice, but you know, every burger place I find goes a little overboard with the chips. And there's only a very few places that actually do really nice, like battered, flavoured chips. But all in all, I would have to say, overall burger and whatnot, I give that a 4 out of 5. Don't ask me what that noise was, but it was supposed to be the yummy out of 5, 4 out of 5. The only reason it's not getting a slam dunk and 5 out of 5 for me is because yeah, it was a little bit overcooked. The chicken, for a deep fried, it was overcooked, and the chicken was a little bit dry, and yeah, it was like, how do I put it, like all the juices and all that were outside the burger rather than in the damn chicken. So it was just, yeah, it was a bit on the dry side. But I mean, when it comes to frying shit, it's like a couple of seconds here or there, you're not looking and it goes kaput. And the drink that was there, that I have to say is like awesome. I would definitely give that a 6 out of 5. Whew. It was my first time having Biscoff, essentially. Would I recommend it to other people? Yeah, most definitely. They had a wide variety of stuff on their menu, a whole bunch of stuff there. Variety is key. They had a nice looking dessert menu, nice drinks menu, because it has a bar attached to it. But for the most part, 7.5 out of 10, ladies and gents. That is my final review. Yes, sir. So if you all are in the Scarborough neighbourhood, the Brooklyn Lodge, definitely pop your head in. Pop your head in and check it out. anyway, folks, I am going to have to leave you with that little Bikes and Beggar reviews of the Brooklyn Lodge. And I'll catch you lovely people in the next video. Now, you know what I'm going to say next in my outro, you beautiful people. If you find yourself on my channel and you haven't hit that big red subscribe button and that massive thumbs up button, please take a few seconds and smash the shit out of those buttons for me. It deeply would be appreciated, and every little bit helps. If you like my content, please help me out. I'm trying to grow my channel, try to grow my community. Yeah, hell, I'm trying to just grow a community in Western Australia and in the city of Perth that I live in. I'm just trying to get more people on two wheels, or who have the passion for two wheels, all that stuff, I mean. So without further ado, love your old bitty bits. Peace, ride safe, catch y'all in the next one, and remember, deuces!